Is the special segment in the triangle median or altitude? What segments are congruent, if any? So if I look over here on the first picture A, those could be medians, but I don't see any tick marks on any of the sides, so I don't know if F, E, and D are midpoints. But what I do notice is C, F, B, E, and AD all meet the opposite side at that 90-degree angle, which is a clear indication that these three segments are called altitudes. With altitudes, there's not anything that's congruent, no pieces that are congruent. That would be like your perpendicular bisectors or angle bisectors, but not here. With altitudes, over here, you can clearly see that N, M, and L are midpoints because of these tick marks. So that means that those segments XL, YM, and ZN are medians. Now we could write out all the congruent pieces. I'm just going to do one part, YL and LZ. So line segment YL is congruent to line segment LZ. And you got XM and MZ, and then NY and XM. I'll let you write all those down. Okay, so the definition of a mid-segment. Mid-segment extends from the midpoint of one side of the triangle to the midpoint on the other side of the triangle. So if I look at just this picture over here, D is a midpoint, F is a midpoint, so DF is called a mid-segment. Three mid-segments of a triangle form a mid-segment triangle. So in red here, this triangle that line segment connects two midpoints. This line segment connects two midpoints, and this line segment connects two midpoints. This triangle right here is called a mid-segment triangle. Where are my mid-segments at? XY, YZ, and ZX. And what's my mid-segment triangle called? Triangle, and you just pick three letters, X, Y, and Z. Those are the vertices of that triangle. And you can put those letters in any order. Okay, what's special about the mid-segment? The first thing that's special about the mid-segment is that the mid-segment is parallel to the opposite side. So if DE is my mid-segment here, the side opposite of it is AC, and those two line segments are parallel to each other. The other thing that's special is that the mid-segment DE is equal to half of the side length. So if DE is 5, AC is 10. If AC is 20, DE is 10. So you have to think about it like that. So that